Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So in this video I'm going to talk about why it is important at this point to start earning interest off of your Ethereum. If you have Ethereum is going up in price. You know, I do think Ethereum is going to hit 10,000 and I do think it's going to go up from there as well. So if you have Ethereum, getting it working for you is very good. It's a very good idea to start earning some percentage yield off of your Ethereum that you already have. A lot of people have fear of sending their Ethereum to a CeFi platform like Celsius or Crypto.com or BlockFi, and I do believe that those are great options if you don't mind sending your Ethereum for them to lend and stake on your behalf. But if you already have Ethereum yourself and you don't want to do that, maybe you want to be able to control it from your hardware wallet, there is a great option, and that is doing it through your Nano ledger. Okay, so if you have a Nano ledger, you're going to be able to stake directly from your Nano ledger using a service called Lido. Okay, if you don't have a Nano ledger, you can still use Lido to stake. I'm going to leave the link in the description and you'll be able to click that link. Okay, it's actually my link here. So if I click on no, not here, if I go back, let me go back here. So my actual link is this one here, but I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video, so you'll be able to grab stake. If you want to stake directly, you can do that directly through Lido if you don't have a Nano ledger. If you have a Nano ledger, then you want to download the Ledger Live app and you want to stake your Ethereum. If you have Ethereum just inside your app already, then you want to do it this way. Okay, if you don't have a ledger, then you want to go about it this way, which if you click the link, it will take you to this page, and you just have to click on Connect Wallet, and whichever wallet you have your Ethereum in, you can actually go through to stake your Ethereum through that wallet. So MetaMask is the one that I know many people use, and these are other ones you can use: Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Trust, IM Token. Just remember, make sure that whichever wallet you use, they're the official wallets. Make sure, because if you download the wrong wallet, somebody may be able to steal your coins. Okay, so just be very aware that you're using the correct wallet whenever you connect with this. So if you have MetaMask, log in to your MetaMask. If whichever one you have, log in, click on the terms of use. You can click on this and read it if you want, the privacy notice. Click on it and you'll be able to then send over the Ethereum that you want to stake. Once you do that, it will appear here. It will connect the wallet and it will appear in the amount of ST you will receive, the exchange rate, the transaction cost, and the reward fee. Okay, so a good resource to see what the average percentage that you could be making off of staking on Lido would be go to stakingrewards.com. This is what I use. And if you go to stakingrewards.com and you go here to Ethereum 2.0, you can see here, if I scroll down, you can see here where it says Lido Finance. There's Cream Finance, Stakewise. There's different pools. The one we're talking about is this one here, Lido Finance. And Lido Finance is where you're going to stake. So if I scroll down, you can see it says 9.86% earning here. Okay, with a 10% fee. So there's a 10% fee that goes to the admin or whatever they do, because if usually you're going to stake your Ethereum directly, you're going to need 32 Ethereum, and most people don't have 32 Ethereum. Lido gives you the opportunity to stake with any amount. Okay, and that's very, very good. You can stake with a low amount. It doesn't have to be 32 Ethereum. So it says 9.86% here, but you have to take into consideration the 10% fee here. Okay, and this 10% fee is off of the rewards. It's not off of your original staked amount. This is just the rewards, and through Lido you still have custody of your keys, because if you're using any of the wallets that I just mentioned, if you're using any of the wallets here, these will be wallets that you have the keys to. So as you can see here, I think it's Coinbase Wallet, Connect to MetaMask that you're able to choose from. So you're gonna have the keys to those wallets, and you just have to keep those keys very safe. If you're gonna use your Nano ledger, it will be the keys to your ledger. On the Nano ledger, you can see here the APR is 5.4%. That's how much I'm going to be getting paid annually. That's the APR. The great thing about this is that you get your rewards every single day. So it says here, if I read this small print, let me just click on here. It says here, APR is denominated in terms of STETH, okay, not USD. So you're going to be getting paid STETH, which is closely pegged to Ethereum. So the STETH token you'll be getting, it will be close to the Ethereum price. It may not be exact. So it's not a guarantee or promise of returns or profit. Okay. The current Ethereum APR is 6%. So that's the current ETH 2.0 APR that people are getting if they're staking Ethereum for Ethereum 2.0. Remember that the people who are staking for Ethereum 2.0, okay, the people who have their 32 Ethereum staking on for Ethereum 2.0, not through Lido, are getting 6%. Okay, so Lido APR is currently lower due to the activation queue for ETH validators, as well as Lido's staking reward fee. Okay, so keep in mind there's the staking reward fee that Lido's taking, which is 10%. Okay. It to me, being able to stake less than 32 ETH and forfeiting 10% to Lido, to me is a win-win. I don't mind, because I'm still going to get my 5.4%. Okay, so here so the APR is currently lower due to activation fee for ETH validators, as well as Lido staking rewards fee. Lido's APR could grow as the rate of active stakers on Lido becomes higher, but will not exceed Ethereum's APR. So if Ethereum's APR is at 7%, the APR will go up, but it will never go up higher than the actual APR that ETH 2.0 stakers are getting. Okay. You receive staking rewards within 24 hours of your deposit being made, without waiting for validator activation. So I like this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be checking, because I just staked this today. I'm going to be checking every day to see my staking rewards. Okay, and that STETH I'm going to be receiving on top of the staked the STETH I already have. So that's going to be great, because all I'm going to do is going to consistently stake the STETH, and that's how I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to continually stake the STETH and earn more STETH. And if I decide later on I want to sell my STETH, I will do just that. Yeah, it's good to stake and earn interest off of your Ethereum, and we're able to do it through Lido, and I like this. So if you want to look at other ways, you can also go on, like I said, you can go to stakingrewards.com, and there you can see the other ones I mentioned. So I'll go back here, you can see the other ones I mentioned here: Cream, StakeWise, Staker. So here you can see the monthly earning. If you have $1,000, is $4.76. So I'm gonna put in the amount that I have staked, which is, I would say, is close to about $20,000. So let's go in. Oh, let's go back. It's a bit weird this. So $20,000. So as you can see, that's going to give me a good $94.23 a month, a good $1,146 dollars a year. You can't get this from your bank. You can't get this 5.72% from your bank. You cannot. Your bank is, if you're lucky, you'll get 1%. If you're lucky, I don't even think you get 1% a year. But here I'm getting 5.72% annualized, and I can compound that, okay? Because I'm just gonna, that's whatever I make from the staked Ethereum, I'm just gonna leave it continually staking and earn rewards off of the rewards. Okay, my aim is to earn rewards off of the rewards. Okay, so anytime I earn this 5.4%, I'm going to be earning staking rewards off of the staking rewards, and I'm going to let it compound. Okay, and continually stake more and more Ethereum until the amount of Ethereum I'm staking reaches a point where the rewards are significant. Okay, so this is the way of building wealth. DeFi is the way forward. This DeFi is the way forward. It really is. And being able to actually stake from your hardware wallet is the future. And I'm going to be doing more videos like this because I haven't done videos like this before. I don't think I have done videos like this. But ETH 2.0 staking directly from your ledger is a very big deal. Okay, this is a big deal. It's definitely something that I had to make a video on, and I think a lot more videos are going to be shown on YouTube about this, because this is a big day. It's a big day for people who don't have 32 Ethereum to be able to stake directly from their Nano ledger. So if it's you want to stake from your Nano ledger, you can do it right now. Okay, let me show you quickly how you do it. Go back to my Ledger Live. Okay, you want to make sure, if I click on manager, I don't know if it's gonna ask me to confirm it again. It might do. So let me just check my actual ledger. So let me just put the code in. So what is so important about this? So what is great about this, I like, is that you really have control. You know, you really have control over your keys. Obviously, Lido are staking on your behalf, but you really do have control because you control your keys. Okay, so what you need to do first of all is you need to get your Lido installed. See, on your app, on your Ledger Live, if you install the Lido app, it's installed on mine, as you can see. Once you've got Lido installed, you're ready to go. All you need to do is click on discover. Yep. Then once you've got discovered here, all you need to do is you need to come here to stake your ETH with Lido. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page, and it's going to actually already see what Ethereum you have on your wallet. Yeah, if you want to stake the whole amount, click max and stake the whole amount. Okay, what's going to happen is there's going to be a transaction cost. The transaction cost does go up and down, but you see, as you see, it goes up and down. But this will be the transaction cost for when you stake. So you're gonna have, if you need to have I think you need to have some Lido, sorry, you need to have some Ethereum in there in order to stake it. Okay, if you don't have enough Ethereum in there, you're not going to be able to stake it. So you know, if I'm hoping that you have more than one Ethereum in here, or at least half an Ethereum or something in there. I just staked the whole amount, which is 6.05, which I had. So I just clicked max. See, I don't have enough to stake more, but just click max. I staked the whole amount. I click submit, and then it started processing the transaction. then what it does is it gives you an ether scan, so that you can go and check the actual you can actually go and check the transaction taking place. Then it goes onto a smart contract where the tokens, the Ethereum, goes onto the Lido, where Lido are staking your coins. Okay, and then it's there being staked for you. That it will then show here your staked amount. So I think it took like about a few minutes, in fact 2 or 3 minutes it took me for it to appear as it processed. Then it just shows here, and that's it. If you want to read, you can click on, you can just scroll over this here, and it will explain to you what you're going to get. You'll see the percentage you get, APR, and that's it. And that is it, really. You get your rewards every 24 hours, I believe, and you're golden. And then you can just grab your link here. Here you can grab your link, and you can share this with anybody else who may want to stake Ethereum. This link is for people who are not staking on their ledger. Okay, because if people are staking on their ledger, they're already gonna have the Lido app in their ledger. For those that don't have a ledger, that still want to stake their Ethereum, and they have it on MetaMask or Coinbase wallet or the other wallet that is compatible, they can use that link when you share it. Okay, I'm going to leave that link in the description for people who don't have a ledger live as well. So yeah, definitely a great thing to do. Start staking your Ethereum, start earning rewards. If you want to check out other coins, you can do. You can just come to stakingrewards.com. I really do recommend it. If you want to learn how to stake different coins, you can actually learn from here. ETH 2.0, like I said, this is it. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting to stake my coins directly from my ledger. I've been waiting for so long for this, and this is a great time. Start staking your Ethereum on your Nano ledger. Start doing it. Okay. Very, very powerful. Staking reward here, 5.76%. You know, I'm already staking my Cardano as well, and I'm earning good rewards on that as well, through Yoroi. So I'm staking my Cardano as well. Here you can see. So if I were you, start staking your coins and start earning rewards. You cannot lose. You cannot lose, especially when you are in control of your keys. Anyways, people, I've been rambling on. Get yourself staking your Ethereum. Get yourself staking your Cardano. Get checking on staking rewards and see how you can dabble in getting these nice tasty yields from these different coins. Anyway, people, thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you inside staking with us. Take care.